Therapist Joseph. Dr. Johnson's ready for his ring dinger, so we're going to evaluate.
It's after hours and it's my turn.
Yeah, we're going to evaluate his posture and then do the full meal deal on him here.
There you go.
Let's go ahead and put your head forward and back. And
I bet you I'm off to the right.
Just a little bit this way.
See, I'm translated to the right, which makes my left shoulder higher. It's because I'm bent over this table doing this all day long. My pelvis is pretty centered up, though.
Pretty centered.
Shoulders are not too bad. Okay. Okay. So Joseph just does this on me. He does not do this on anyone else because there's no one else I have here to do this on me. So we certainly appreciate him working on me after hours. Justin, we need those pins. They're hard to get in there, aren't they? There we go. Okay.
I was jumping.
Uh-oh.
As you see, it's kicking just a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
See if I'm still kicking. See, it's better. See?
I was going to say, nope, not kicking.
Yeah, they'd be looking forward to that one.
No, then they couldn't come get the ring
They
dinger.
wouldn't get no more videos. I'd have to go and hide.
Yeah. This is your Houston zombie chiropractor.
Be run, Joseph, run.
I would go into witness protection.
Oh boy.
Yeah, my dog would save me.
And you puppy, I forgot what the name was.
Chico.
Chico.
I got a big Great Dane.
What movie was that guys?
I named him King Chico DeBarge.
And put him in a cowboy uniform.
Yeah, he's in a Cowboys yesterday. But hey, it was a great game.
Yep.
We're realistic Cowboys fans. Nothing we could have done to
Prevent Aaron Rodgers.
hit that last second throw. So
Mason Crosby did a good job getting those 2 field goals in a row too.
yeah. 251 yarders, and that was a playoff record. Postseason record.
Well, one was 54 yards.
Now I'm putting my elbow right down here at the L5S1 pocket. Deep steady pressure. And same thing on the other side.
Well, I can feel the nerve flow and the blood flow in my feet better when you do that.
I feel like I'm straining so much when I do that. My wife would probably beat me up if she heard me say this, but I might have to agree with you, Doc, and say it might be Green Bay and the Patriots. But if my wife is watching, go Steelers.
I think if we had Green Bay and New England playing at the Super Bowl here in Houston, it'd be a great game.
Yeah, it'll be good.
And the Super Bowl is here in Houston this year on February the 5th, and we are booked up that whole week. I think we got, what, 2 or 3 appointments left, Renee? So if you want to get an appointment, go to advancedhoustonchiropractor.com and fill out an appointment request, and Renee might get to it by next week. Sure feels better. Yep, right down the middle.
Okay.
So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and
Joseph, your favorite massage therapist.
coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of the Super Bowl, and your favorite chiropractor and massage therapist, and maybe office manager, Renee. Let's see y'all soon. Love you.